everybody! Today we're gonna learn about birds, and remember to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get started! So this is the Hadida ibis bird. It's roaming in my garden. These birds look scary, and they have very long beaks. They mostly look for food in your garden, but it's a small chance you can find them in your garden, because they mostly are in your rooftop. Because this Hadida ibis bird is eating in our garden. So we're also gonna learn about some fun facts about birds. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get started. Fun facts about birds. All birds have feathers, but not all birds can fly. Penguins are a type of bird that cannot fly, but they have great swimming skills. The largest bird in the world is the ostrich. They cannot fly, but they can run fast. Birds have backbones. Backbones. Birds eat insects, fruits, seeds, small mammals, and fish. That bird's eating a fly. There are over 10,000 species of bird in the world. Hummingbirds, tweet tweet, are the only birds that can fly backwards. Birds have beaks, but do not have any teeth. Wait, so how does a bird eat food? Wait, all female birds lay eggs. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye! See you next time!